guys, welcome back to Fazeka's Family Farm.
Today he's going to be shooting his paintball gun at the trash can. There's a pop can. Oh, you can't.
What?
And a milk jug. And then here's what he puts in them. It's just these.
It's just paint.
Just paint balls. So these balls are just paint. So I'm going to go set up his targets for him real fast. Wait. So we're going to set up his targets again. Here is the trash can he's shooting. Here's the Mountain Dew can he's shooting. And you can tell he's already kind of hit the milk jug. Oh yeah, he's hit it a lot. I'm going to set up the milk jug. We're going to put it this way, so it has a little bit something to lean on. Hands are a little painty now. So he's going to Alrighty, so it's after winter, once all the snow melts. I don't know if it's just our house, but the snow, like, there's trash under the snow and stuff. This stuff is like we were playing out here when it was snowing. Some of this stuff, so it kind of a little bit of a mess right now. When I just stacked up these chairs. And so I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, I think, so that it's like easier to play with. So what I'm gonna do is dump out those rocks, which I shouldn't have done that in here, but I did. And then we're gonna put all of like these in here and stack up everything. Here's what I think I'm gonna try and do. I don't know. Just gonna try and stack everything. And none of it's gonna stack very well. Because none of it's gonna stack very well. So let's throw like the same space. And then there's this. And this is full of rocks. And that's come from over here, which is just like our play area. So I'm gonna kind of just clean up some of that. This winter, this also fell. Our window box also fell off. It's this cute gnome we're gonna put in here. And then there's two dragonflies, since it's a little bit worn down, but I'm gonna get this kind of. This is what I did the other day. Was that there's nothing in here yet, but I got it kind of. I got all these bricks. It was great here. This is growing in there, kind of like this. I still haven't done these two or this side, but it's so much better. I did that the other day. And I got all the leaves out. This is our playhouse. This is where the window box usually goes. This either goes in the front of the house or right over there. Then we have some flower basket planters. This is a little bit of a mess. And so we're gonna stack some things up, get this table cleared off. That's what I'm gonna do first, is get this table cleared off. Let me set the phone up real fast. Super tippy. I'm gonna find a spot to set up the phone. Actually, I'm gonna take this over here. Put that in. I'm gonna see if I can get this set up really fast. Or not, get the phone set up and dump that out. You can see my brother's heading inside. Let's see. Okay, I got the phone set up. I think that you can see it, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna try and get some of these rocks off. I'm gonna get the rocks off the table. There. Try to get them over here.